So, we're making purple oatmeal, and this is what we need. We need eggs. There's a quail egg in there, and there's a big egg from the chicken, and this is milk, sugar powder, and I don't even know what this is called, but it's chocolate, and this is oats. You can see we're having purple blueberries, and these are blueberries have purple and stuff in them. Some of them, the big ones only. And that's why this is for only making purple oatmeal, not. But if you want it to stay white and you won't put any blueberries, you'll make white oatmeal. But yeah.
Perfect.
And we're gonna go get an egg from a quail, and that's a quail egg. So we're gonna get another one. I don't know if there is, but we have to check.
Okay.
Come on, let's go.
Hey, wait. Put your little thing down there.
But first, we have to put this down. I don't know why, but yeah, we have to put it down because we don't even need that.
All right, let's go see.
So follow me because she's in the dining room. See that cake right there? That's where she is. A quail is right there.
Oh, who's that?
I don't see any eggs. Oh, here's the egg.
Awesome.
See, it's a quail egg. It
There's
doesn't
a
look the
quail
same.
egg.
Oh no, Miss. She doesn't want us to eat.
Wait, I don't see it. She's on it.
Yeah, she's over it. She doesn't want it.
What a silly. Okay, well, let's get it from her, okay?
Okay.
Okay.